Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Share Tips. I am Binoy here. If you people are bullish on telecom sector of India, especially 5G, here I give you a penny stock for a long-term view. But this share is high risk, so people who are ready to take risk can have an exposure to the company. Before that, in my every video, I remember my clients that please don't sell sale because 2022 will be a period for metal sector as a whole. There is a huge story is coming on the metal sector. Another price hike is going to happen on February or March month. So every metal sector will have a fly from this level. Operators well known about this, that is why they are trying to hammer down the stock prices. Please lose your patience, hold the sale very tightly. Okay. In case of Himachal Futuristic Communication, HFCL, I hope next week you will hit my target of 91 rupees. If so, please book profit. After that, we can again have a study about the company and re-enter into it. And in case of AP Capital, it has already given a precision of 10%. I expect it will reach my target of 160 within 2 or 3 months. In BPCL is a clear case of long-term story. Even last week, there's a bad news came related to BPSL that the disinvestment of BPSL may be delayed. Still, the share price of the company doesn't come down, which is a positive factor for the BPSL. So there is a heavy accumulation is happening in the BPSL shares. So hold the share for a long-term purpose. It will really reward you all investors. Okay, so let's just come to this company. The name of the company is GTL Infrastructure Limited. So many negative news are there related to GTL. The fundamentals of companies are very bad. If you value the company, nothing is there. That is why the share prices comes down at 12 rupees, 2 rupees, sorry. Once 5 years back, I think 5 or 7 years back, this share was traded above 1000 rupees. Now the share is come to 2 rupees because of its bad valuation, mismanagement, heavy loss making company, heavy bad debts. When all the things happen together, the share prices comes down to 2 rupees. So actually a penny stock will become multi-bagger if we can identify a stock at cheaper level, and if that company can able to give a huge return after 2 or 3 years, or if the company, a loss-making company which was laying at 2 rupees or 3 rupees will become a profitable company. If any changes in management happen, if any takeover happens and the company generate profit, at that time that company became a multi-bagger stock. So we have to identify the company which will become a profitable company in after 2 or 3 years. If you have success in that, you will get a lot of penny stocks just like TTML. I expect GTL will become a multi-bagger stock just like TTML. But lot of negatives are there. But I identified some positive things towards the company on the base of which I expect GTL to be a next multi-bagger share. However, today I will give you both negatives and positives of the company, and you people have to evaluate it, go through it, study it, and come to a conclusion whether to invest in this share or not. Okay. So negative factor is simply it's a loss-making company, heavy debt company. The promoter's stake is only 3.33%. Rest of all shares was sold by the promoters, and this 3.3% shares is 100% pledged also. So it is a heavy negative for the company. That is why the share price is lying at 2 rupees. But here I identified some points. If we value the company very closely, we see a small chance, a 10% chance that this company can become an another level company. Okay, that's why I'm going to tell. That is main thing is that 5G itself. If 5G come into place, fully operational, we need more towers. GTL infrastructure had 48,000 towers, out of which 28,000 is operational and 20,000 is not operational. It is there. So the infrastructure of GTL infrastructure is very good related to tower. It is just like HFCL. Because of the mismanagement, this company can't able to operate the full 48,000 towers. But still, it had 28,000 towers, and it is I think just now tie up with Reliance. Reliance are using this tower of GTL infrastructure. This is one thing. So another point is that when 5G tower came into existence, it need more towers very closely, because when compared to 4G network, it can't able to transit the signals very long distance. So they need very close towers. So according to analyst, India needs 1 lakh more towers per annum. That means 10 times of towers. When we compare to the towers now existing towers, we need 10 times more towers in order to when the 5G came into existence. So as a provider of tower company on rental basis, GTL had enough space in telecommunication sector. This is my main thing. Second, if we consider the shareholding pattern of the company, it is very interesting that 1.9% is held by FIS. Last week there is a rumor that FIS had sold some shares. I am not sure about that. Anyway, according to the last data available, 1.9% was held by FIS. And most interesting fact is that 59.71% is held by DIS. Okay. Out of DIS, LIC is holding 3.38% stake. So out of 59.71% of DIS stake, 3.38 stake was held by LIC. Rest of 56% of stake is held by public sector banks. How it happened? It's very simple. GTL had taken loans from these all banks. They can't able to repay the loans. So what the banks do, they make the loans into, convert the loans into equity. So interestingly, Union Bank, most of the banks have holding the shares. Union Bank is the highest holder. They are holding 12.26% of the company. Central Bank of India holding 7.47%. PNB holding 7.2%. Then Bank of Baroda, IOB, SBI, IFCI, Bank of India, everyone is holding the company. So altogether, now the promoters of the companies are PSU banks. Okay, so they don't sell GTL infrastructure at 2 rupees. They will try to bring up the share to at least 10 rupees. They will go to operators and ask the operators to help them to make the share to go to 10 rupees. Okay, so we all sell the share at that time, 10 rupees. And most interestingly, my third point is that the face value of company is 10 rupees. 10 rupees means the value of the company is only 2 rupees. Just by 1000 shares, 2000 rupees. If it goes only 2000 rupees be lost. But if these all things came into existence, the share will fly from this level. The upside will be no limit for the company. This stands for that. So just invest 2000 rupees and forget about shares. If you people invest in TTM, I know everyone is sitting in a huge profit. So out of that profit, you take 2000 rupees and invest in the shares. And if you're ready to invest 2000 shares, buy 2000 shares, 10,000 shares, whatever it may be, according to your risk taking capacity and money. Okay. Then it is very interesting. Another point is that the company is expecting a revenue of 3,000 crores from tower leasing in 2023-24 period. It's very good. And company is also expected, management is also expecting the company will be reduce the debt within next 2 years. I'm not sure about that, but the management is so confident that they can able to reduce the debts. Okay, that's another great point. Then last week we had happened to see a 42% delivery in the company. So there is some accumulation is happening in the share price of the company, and only few players are get licenses for 5G. Out of them, I think GTL infrastructure also included in the these few players. So this whole thing is I pointed out related to GTL infrastructure and their client base. Yes, their client base include Reliance. They have all companies related to telecommunication, Reliance, Idea, BSNL. Everyone is a client. So client base is very good. So and main important point is that I think it may be a takeover candidate. Reliance can take over this company. Tata Communication can take over this company because everyone will are going to enter into telecom space. So if takeover happens, because there is a huge potential for the company because Tata infrastructure already have a tower infrastructure of 48,000 towers. So it is an easy takeover candidate. So if anything happens like that, the entire picture will be changed. The company, if company come to profit, the company can able to reduce their debt, make a zero debt company. Its share price may go to 100, 200, whatever it may be, just like TTM. Okay. So in conclusion, as I always said, this is my personal view about the company. Please have your own study before taking position in the company. If anyone is new to my channel and not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Please share my videos to friends and relatives. Like it. Please always comment on my video. Your comments are my inspirations. Thank you. Thank you very much.